In this video, I want to tell you how to download the WhatsApp statuses of any contact of your cell phone, and the only thing you will need is your mobile without the need for applications or difficult methods of downloading. What you need first is a browser, and having your account linked to WhatsApp Web. What we're going to do is open your browser's developer tools. There, we will go to the tab to monitor what is loaded on a web, and we will start to see the states. Here you can see who have uploaded stories. Keep your phone handy, and go to web.whatsapp.com and follow these steps. Link your mobile device to what your computer says. Then go to the section where the states appear. Enter there, click on the free browser space. You will also be able to enter here by choosing the developer tools option, which you can access at the same time by clicking Ctrl+Shift+I. Look at the Developer Tools column. In it, enter the Network tab, which can also appear under the name Network. In this part you will be able to see the elements that the web loads every time you click on a site. While inside this Network tab, now click on the states you want to start viewing them. When you do, you'll see that uploading the statuses will show files in the timeline. If you look closely, among the items that are loaded there will be some in photo or video format, such as the JPEG of the capture that are the photos. These files will be the status content, and you can click on them to view them.